So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a battery charge protector circuit. This circuit, you know, a lot of people, they don't know what it means, but it's like when you try to charge your battery and when it overcharge, without protection it can explode. It could explode or it could be damaged. So with this circuit now we're gonna make is gonna protect it from that, the damaging or exploding. So what we need for this project, we need a MOSFET TIP42. We need a 1N 4007 diode. We need a 15 kilo ohm resistor. We need a 220 ohm resistor. We need a transistor TL431. A 3.7 kilo resistor, and finally a 1 kilo ohm resistor. So first thing, I'm starting to put the TIP42 this, and after that I need to put this 15 kilo resistor from the base to the emitter. I need to put this 220 ohm from the base. So now, taking this TL431 regulator, so I need to connect the cathode of this regulator to this resistor. So this resistor here, like that. Now I need to connect the 1 kilo ohm resistor to the reference pin of the regulator. So now the 3.7 resistor will go from the base of TIP42 to the reference pin of the transistor, like this. This 1 kilo resistor now, this terminal needs to be connected to the middle one to this resistor's middle one. And this will be the input and output negative, you know, negative. So as you can see here, I'm gonna connect the negative input and output, input and output, like this. And here the output positive. You see this diode now, we can use it only if we've got a load, if our load is inductive. So we can use it from the middle one, which is the collector of the regulator, to the middle one of the transistor, like this. But I'm not going to use it now, but you can use it if you do have so. Now the output positive will be connected to the collector, and the input will be connected to the emitter. So we've got the input and we've got the output. This is the input and this is the output. So our circuit now, our circuit is completely done. So we need to test it. So now I connected circuit to the power, and I plug this 12 volt light, as you can see here, the output, the light and the input. So as you can see here, this transistor, why we put this transistor, because this transistor calculates the current going to or coming off from the battery, from your battery that you're charging or discharging. So when it gets to a certain voltage or current, you know, it will cut off straight away. So this TL431 is going to calculate our current when it gets to 11.8. It will stop. The light will stop. That means our battery can be discharged anymore, and that will protect our battery from damage, because the more you discharge your battery, the more you've got like a short life battery. I'll show you now. So I'm going to show you now how this works. Here we've got our light, which is connected to our circuit, and it works with 12 volt, so I need to put it on 12 volt. There we go. You can see now my light is working. So as soon as I decrease the voltage below 11.8, our light stop straight away. That means we can't use, you know, our battery anymore, and that will keep it like in a good condition. battery charged, discharged, and it goes to 11.8 and stop it. That's why we're using this circuit. It's just to protect your battery from damage. So I hope you have enjoyed this video for today. Till next one, thank you very much for watching. See you. Bye.